Topic 29. Radioactivity. Part 2. Radioactive decay and half-life. Radioactive decay occurs when a nucleus disintegrates or splits into two smaller parts. There are two types of decay. Alpha decay, during which an alpha particle is given off. Beta decay, during which a beta particle is given off. Two examples of alpha decay. Uranium disintegrates into thorium and alpha particle, which is given off. Radium disintegrates into radon and alpha. And alpha particle once again is given off. And this is very easy to work out in tests and exams. They will get you to work out the missing number. Make sure all the numbers at the top add up. So that plus that gives you that. That plus that gives you that, and so on. Two examples of beta decay. In each case, a beta particle is given off. You don't have to know what these elements are. All you have to know is to balance these numbers across the top as well as across the bottom. So for example, 14 is equal to 14 plus 0. 6 is equal to 7 minus 1. And more the same here. Half-life. What is half-life? It is a time taken for half a sample to decay into something else, or the time taken for the activity of an isotope to halve. From the graph on the next slide, find the half-life of beryllium. Here is the original sample of the beryllium, 16 grams, and in 15 seconds time the amount is halved from 16 down to 8, so the half-life is 15 seconds. And for a further 15 seconds the amount is halved again, from 8 down to 4, and so on. Example 1. If the half-life of cobalt 65 years and you have a 30 milligram sample now, how much of this cobalt 60 left after 15 years? These are the answers. At the start, there are 30 milligrams. After a half-life, which is 5 years, it's halved down to 50 milligrams. After another 5 years, half again, down to 7.5 milligrams. Another 5 years, down to 3.75. 3 lots of half-life and up to 15 years. So the final answer is that one there. The answer is 3.75 milligram. Here it is, 3.75 grams left. Example 2, a 5 gram sample of an isotope produces 20 counts per second. Its half-life is 3 days. What is the decay rate after 12 days? Answers: 12 divided by 3, 4 half-lives. So 20 divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, divided by 2, 4 lots of 2 is equal to 0.675 counts per second.